baguette's been there a couple minutes, we'll go ahead and take a peek in the oven and see how it looks. And you'll see the edges are nice and brown, and it is firm to the touch, just a little bit crispy. We'll go ahead and take it out, and we'll sit it here. Now the first thing we're going to have to do before we can rub the garlic on it is just go ahead and crack it. So we'll get a nice big clove of garlic. We'll take the knife, and with the back side of the knife in our palm, we're just going to give it a smush. And that's going to let it open up and let some of the juices get out. I'll cut off the end there. Now we're not going to cut up this garlic, we're just going to smash it again. There we go. And we're just going to take the garlic, open it up a little bit, and rub that on the baguette. That's going to give it a nice mild garlic flavor, but it's not going to put any actual minced garlic or anything on the baguette itself. So we'll just take it and we'll rub it across the top of the baguette, and the olive oil is going to pick up that garlic flavor. So we'll just rub it across. And I will go ahead and finish up the rest of the baguette, and we'll move on to finishing up the sausage mixture.